Guys, I don't know which one the baking side is. Pam! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Loretta Piwa. If you're joining me for the first time, welcome to the family. And if you're back again for the I don't know how many times you've been watching, hey cousin, because we're family over here. I'm gonna let my co-star introduce herself before I start with the video. Go forth, baby.
Hello, my name is Kendall. Today we're doing baking.
Yes, and there you have it. We are gonna be baking today. So it's another lockdown, another 14 days. And the last time we came out of like 7 months, okay, not 7 months, like a lot of time in lockdown, and I didn't know how to do anything. So this time around, I thought, let's do something differently. And it was a birthday like a couple of days ago, so we decided, let's try and bake something, What's the worst that could happen? My whole family bakes professionally, but I've never actually baked anything in my life. So I tried asking for recipes from my aunts, but they wouldn't give me anything because they say that since I've been living with them for over 5+ years, I should know how to bake by now. So what we did, we just ended up getting this cake mixes, and they have a recipe at the back. Like, what's the worst that can happen? Right? Alright, so she's gonna pick which flavor we're using. What flavor are we baking today?
We're baking chocolate.
Yeah, so we're baking chocolate, so we're gonna put this away. And we're gonna pick again. Are we baking a cake or are we baking cupcakes? Cake. So we're gonna put this away. Guys, I don't think we're gonna do a cake because the cake seems like way more difficult.
I once saw on TV that how people make cake, and I think I understand how.
You understand how to make cakes. So you see, guys, I'm under a good management right now. Let me just remove this thing. And so we're just gonna follow the cake recipe that's here, guys, because please don't mind the guy upstairs. Like, of all the days to choose installing or fixing whatever he's fixing, he chose today. So please don't mind whenever you hear that sound. I don't know what's going on. So we're just gonna follow everything here. So let's see. Chocolate cake, you need 1 packet golden cloud chocolate flavored cake mix.
So
how do we know which one is the cake mix? Guys.
All of these packets
Okay,
are
this is the
cake
cake
mix.
And this is the icing. Okay, this is the icing. We need coffee. Check if everything is there. Coffee is there.
Eggs, milk,
Coffee, egg, yes, milk.
oil, sugar. Wait, you even got apple coffee.
Yes. So okay.
So this is all you need. Hey, but what do we use this for?
That's a vanilla essence. We all need it, so you can put it there. Okay. So preheat oven to 180 degrees. Now, okay. Guys, I don't know which one the baking side is. Pam. Pam. Come here. Which one is the baking side? Guys. Dear future husband, after this I'll know. Which one is the baking side? Like, if we want to bake. It says preheat. Wait, it's preheat to 180, right? So this is here. But which one is the baking side?
Wait, I think this is the baking side. This one.
Guys, we're just gonna Google which one the baking side is. Please, don't mind me. Guys, we've been told which one the baking side is. So my aunt says she uses the bottom one. My aunt said she uses both. So we are just gonna go with both. I think let me take this out.
But when you're taking the cake out, you need gloves or towel.
Yes. So first thing, preheat oven. Generously grease and lightly flour 1 or 2 cake pans with 20 centimeter. Oh god, this is so complicated. With 20 centimeters diameter. This is 23. We're using what? With oil or butter? Oh god. Guys, this is so complicated. Like, generously grease with what? Get the butter in the fridge.
Butter.
Yeah. Yes, thank you. Okay. Let me get the flour. Just put it there. Flour. Okay. To lightly flour.
Put flour.
So we're gonna put a little bit of flour, just sprinkle it.
Wait, but do we need a bowl?
Wait, yeah, we're not bait. Just put a little bit of flour, just sprinkle it in the cake all over it. Yes, exactly. Put more. A little bit. Guys, this is so complex. Like, who knew that baking could be this hard? I didn't, clearly.
My uncle knows how to bake.
Yo?
My uncle knows how to bake cupcakes and cake.
Oh, that's nice.
And
Empty the cake mix into a medium-sized mixing bowl. We don't have a mixing bowl, so
we're just gonna use a pot.
we're gonna use a pot. So,
So next time we have to buy a bowl.
oh girl, why are you calling me out on YouTube? We'll buy this. So I don't think I'm gonna make 2 layers. So I'm gonna empty half. Where's the scissors? Here you go. We're gonna empty half. Empty the cake mix. So I'm gonna put half, guys. I don't know where to get to half, but oh jeez, over.
Chocolate. What's my hands?
Okay. Okay, guys. I think that's half. And then empty the cake mix. Mix the liquids and eggs together. And add to the premix.
You said that's
Right. I needed to.
Wait, you need to empty the cake mix.
To make one double-layered light fluffy cake, I'll need 1 packet. 150 mils milk, so I'm gonna need half of that.
Milk.
I'm gonna need 75 mils of milk.
Oh.
Thank you. Come closer. Let's put 75 mils of milk. Go to the big one there. The big one here.
Yeah.
Guys, I'm so confused here. Oh wait, there's 3 cake recipes. Oh, guys. Okay. Sponge cake, light and fluffy cake, or rich and creamy cake. What the hell? What's the
Fold
difference?
it.
Wait. What's the difference? Oh God. I put the milk, so I'm gonna just make a rich and creamy cake. God. Anyway, now I need 15 mils wood. One packet golden cloud. Okay, now I need 50 mils of water.
50 mils of water.
Yes, put water up until here. Cold water. It says mix the liquids and eggs together. Cold water up to the 50.
Like this?
Uh-huh.
Oh, look how it looks like. I forgot to wash.
Yes, it's fine. Water. Said all coffee. No, I'm not gonna put coffee. 75 mils of sunflower cooking oil.
Wait, so you're not going to...
Focus. We're gonna put up until it reaches 75.
oil.
Guys, this is...
Should I now
Okay.
pour it?
Yeah, put it in there too. Oh, I put too much oil. I'm supposed to put half. Guys, I am so confused right now. This is so complicated. Like, and one large egg. Guys, sorry, baby. I put too much oil. Guessing I'm gonna need to.
Oh, I know how to crack an egg. Can I help?
Yeah, just mix everything up.
Let me make it.
No, you can use the spoon. Guys, I put too much oil, so I'm gonna need to add everything else. Mix over here. Oh gosh. Who knew that baking would be this complicated? Well, I need to add a little bit more cake mix because, well, I don't see any sugar part, so I think it's sweetened already. Anyway, mix the liquids together and add the mix according to the buffet cake. Using a spatula, blend the ingredients. Can I get the wooden spoon?
Okay.
I don't have a mixer, so get the wooden spoon. From the wooden spoon from the store. Right. I'm gonna need you to pour slowly. Hold this. Pour in it slowly. Yeah, so what we're gonna do now is pour it into the
All the chocolate.
It's just gonna pour it.
But have you ever watched the movie called Willy Wonka?
Cold Willy Wonka, Charlie and the Chocolate Factory.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have. This is what it reminds you of. Huh?
Remember when that boy drink chocolate inside the chocolate river?
Yeah.
And it fell.
And then you fell away?
And then it fell and then went inside the chocolate too.
Oh, I don't remember that part. We should watch it again.
And then somebody saved him.
Okay, guys.
Wait, no. He went to the factory.
There is the chocolate cake mix.
How does it look?
Looks good. Looks okay. Then pour the mixture and bake for 25 to 30 minutes if using 2 pans and 45 minutes if using 1 pan. Girl, or until the skewer comes out. Let us
Wait, how about...
open the oven. Okay guys, so we are done for now. We're gonna wait for our cake to rise and whatever, but for now we're done. Let's hope it tastes as good as it looks, because I think so far I've done a good job. Not wanting to blow my own horn, but I think I've done a good job so far, right?
Yeah.
We've done a good job. High five. So now we're gonna wait 20 minutes and then check until like our cake is done. We've just put there's the cake in the oven. You can't see anything, but yeah. I think let me set the timer to 20 minutes so that I know when to check. And then yeah, we'll see you after 20 minutes. Alright, so we're gonna check if our cake oh god, guys. They say you can't open, if you open the cake before it's done, it's oh crap.
It's done.
Ouch. Ah, I burned myself. Okay.
I told you
Looks
you need the flour.
like guys. No, yeah, I think like 2 more minutes. I'm not sure. You just come
No,
closer.
it's time to open.
I don't know, guys. Like
It's time to take
they
it.
said that if you put something and you take it out without like any sticky parts, then it's fine. So I think it's fine. Our cake is done. We just switched it off. It's been on for I think 30 minutes, guys. I don't know if it's done or not. But anyway, we are gonna take it out. Take it out. Take it out. And
Let me see the cake.
wait. Who's out? Golden Cloud chocolate flavor mix, 150 grams softened butter.
Putting
This
butter.
is 250, so 150. I just left it half. So, oh god.
That's giant butter.
Yeah.
You want to put
I am not even gonna complicate my life like that. This is what they mean.
Wow.
I'm just gonna heat it, y'all. Like I can't. I cannot.
Oh, what is it? What's happening?
I just butter you in. Oh.
I'm doing that.
Okay, I'm gonna switch this off.
Tasting good.
Beat the softened butter, add the icing mix until the icing is smooth.
This chocolate. Laura,
Yes, baby.
I know that I look cute in pictures.
You look cute in pictures. Oh,
Yeah.
that's nice. So we should take pictures here.
Huh.
Okay, we will.
Look that I look cute in pictures.
There's 45 mils of full cream milk. This is 50 mils, so 45. It's just before that.
The chocolate's more tasty.
Guys, this is not even thick. This is so watery. Like, I don't know if it's supposed to be this watery or I did something wrong. Probably did, but it's too. And I'm adding more milk here. Oh, please close mommy's door. Close mommy's door. So I'm gonna open the cake. Now I'm gonna hope that it looks better. It's so tiny, guys. I can't believe we did all this for like such a tiny looking thing.
Well, that's the first layer.
No, honey, we did one. We didn't know like that was gonna be. There we go.
Now it's more.
There's our cake. Guys, this is so small.
By the way, it's big but small.
It's not even big, guys. It's so
No,
tiny.
I'm saying like it's wide.
Yeah.
And that means that people will eat a lot of pieces, but it's small.
Yeah. So the cake is done. It was done a long time ago. So I put it in the fridge. And now I'm gonna do a taste test. Yes. So I'm gonna cut it. And I'm gonna taste it and see if we did a good job. You should see how it looks, guys. I don't know if I want to show you guys how the thing looks because it's a mess. It's a mess, y'all. Good. Okay. Let me show you how it looks. This is the cake on the plate. It's just like a normal thing. So let us put the phone here and rate the cake. Okay, it tastes okay. It's not bad. It's not great, but it's edible. It's actually quite great, actually. I don't think Yanyato Iba look. But it's edible, guys. It's good. It's fluffy. You know, it's soft. It's good cake. I would cook it for myself in the future. Anyway, with that being said, thank you guys for subscribing. Don't forget to comment, don't forget to like. Let me know what else you want me to try out to cook in the comment section. I'm saying this because I don't cook a lot. Okay, I do. But like I don't try out. Okay, I do. But anyway, just let me know what you guys want me to try out. You know, it'd be fun to try out like a fun new recipe. So yeah, we've done, I think sushi. I think we'll do sushi next time. We'll see how to do it online. And no, I didn't just eat it because I'm supposed to. I don't think it's really because it's a little bit sticky, but it's edible. So see you guys on the next video. Bye.